Affiliate marketing made easier for you. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn an extra income at home. However, it is more than just throwing together a website. There are things that you should do in order to become successful in affiliate marketing. Here are some tips to set you on the right path. To best market your site, you should know what keywords people are using to search for you. This will allow you to see if various marketing campaigns are working, such as if you've been pushing a particular product or keyword phrase, and which of your marketing efforts might need some more work. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. Stay connected to the audience by being communicative on message boards. Listen to the opinions of the readers and get to know what they are looking for. Affiliate marketers should understand the changing desires of the audience by constantly researching their current needs and adding popular choices to the website. Creating ebooks or viral reports is a great way to build up a strong base as an affiliate marketer. The more information you're willing to offer on any product or service, the more legitimate you will appear in the eyes of a potential customer. As long as you're willing to invest the time here, you can get great results. You can see that it takes a bit of learning, in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. The suggestions described here are just some of the things that you should know and apply to your business. If you keep gaining knowledge and are willing to work hard on your business, you will become successful. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.